I think that the God create this animal to combat the food waste. When we turn the food waste using black soldier fly, it will decrease methane volume in the world. Students can easily learn about the greenhouse effect, climate change, using this black soldier fly. I want to engage our students using real world problems, not only a theory in the classroom. Our students must understand about that. They should change their habits, should change their behavior in daily life to shape their future world. I have a dream that I will also multiply this project into the community learning center. I can easily transfer it to the teacher, and the teacher will transfer it to their region. Will not only change our school community, but also will change Malaysia in the whole region. For the teacher around the world, if you see the result, if you see the behavior change of our student, it will be addicted. We have only one world.